Our name says it all. We are Canadore College, a Canadian community college. But what does that mean?
We believe in teamwork.
We believe in competition.
We believe in rest and rejuvenation.
We believe in supporting the well-being of others.
We believe in tenacity.
We believe in rising above challenges.
We believe in integrity.
We believe that risk, failure, and success are part of the same equation.
We believe that excellence and sustainability are compatible. We believe in many nations under one roof.
And above all this, we believe in communities. We are Canadore College, your global community college.